Hey all, just wanted to do a quick review of this Ugreen Bluetooth car audio receiver. This is a great little device solution if you need Bluetooth to connect in your car but you don't have it, or if you're like me, you have Bluetooth built into the car system but it's horrible and it doesn't play music. It only does for phone talking on the phone. So anyways, it looks like this. It's just a little wire. All you need is a USB plug-in so it gets the power, and a little 3.5 aux jack, and then you turn your stereo on, and alright, only on the first time you gotta connect to the device. Just said connected. I should turn the volume up. And then once you're connected, you're good to go. It'll just reconnect every time you turn the car on. The good thing about this is, you know, it's hands-free. You can have your maps playing, your music playing, everything's playing at the same time. It's got a little built-in microphone that's kind of crappy, but it's not the end of the world if you need to talk on the phone. But usually, you know, I'm just driving listening to music, so it's fine for that. But the music, I don't want to get hit with any sound thing, but you know, just hit play on something. Alright, that's enough of that. But it sounds great, you know, because it's just going through your regular car stereo. Thing costs $15 or under $15, and it works flawlessly. And the good thing is, if you're ever like renting a car, you just grab the little thing with you, and you know, you're just bringing it with you, and it's, you know, a tiny little thing. So if you're traveling or going from car to car, it works great with that too. It just, you know, there's no reconnecting to it once you connect to it on your phone, so you're good to go. And if you need the description, or in the description, I'll have a link to this Ugreen little Bluetooth thing, and it's on Amazon. And like I said, it's under $15. There's a bunch of different ones. This is the one I tried, and it works great, so I'm not going anywhere else with this. But I'll have the link to this exact one in the description.